Welcome to my workshop, Mending the Wounds and Patterns of Our Childhood. My name is Eva and I'm happy that you are here. In this video, I will make an introduction to the workshop, and at the end of this video, I will show you a little exercise that we will do together after every assignment. I prepare 11 assignments for you. Ideally would be that you don't do all the assignments at once. Take 2 to 3 days between the assignments because there is a strong likelihood that more memories will come out, that more ideas, thoughts will occur to you during these off days. I suggest that you have a notebook dedicated just for these workshops, and also on these off days you take time and write down the thoughts, feelings, memories that are coming to you. I want to emphasize two things. First, this is not a substitute for psychotherapy, but it's a great companion to the therapy. The second thing I want to emphasize is that I notice with my clients that quite few of them don't want to talk badly about their parents, which is okay. But this workshop shine a light on everything, on the good behavior from our parents and also on the bad behavior from our parents that hurt us. It's not that we will talk badly about your parents, but we will look at the whole picture, the good things, because you can also focus on the good patterns. Sometimes I feel in therapy we focus a lot on what is not working, but I try to focus also on positive patterns, so you can also focus on that. But try not to dismiss the negative patterns, the pain that behavior from our parents gave us. Because we are here to witness that, to hold this pain and to embrace it. You will get a tool in the next assignment where I will taught you how to be with the emotions. So every emotion that occur during this workshop, you can be there for this emotion, witness this emotion, not push it away, not suppress it, not jump quickly through this emotion, but just witness it. Give the emotion the time to stay and linger as much as the emotion needs to linger. We will learn that through the relationship with our parents, because this is a really important relationship in our lives. So we will look at your wounds and patterns that you are maybe repeating today through these relationships. Relationship with your father and relationship with your mother. And maybe you don't have any relationship with your parents right now. That's fine. That doesn't mean we won't look at it, because not having a relationship is a relationship as well. We don't need your parent for this workshop. We won't ask a parent any questions. This workshop is between you and I and your inner child. Okay, so let's do the first exercise, which is the body scan. Maybe you already know this exercise, especially if you did my other workshop, but this is important yet simple exercise, because the emotions are always first in our bodies. They come to our body and then in split second, they come to our awareness. But sometimes we suppress certain emotions so much that we don't even realize we have them, but we are still feeling them in our body. And we are scanning the body to find the emotions that we are aware of, to find the physical pain from physical injuries, and to find these little sensations that we are not really aware of. Okay, you can close your eyes or look at one spot. And then in your mind, just scan your body from head to toes and observe if you have any sensations, any pain, warm feelings, coldness, itchiness, some sort of pleasant sensation, unpleasant sensations, tensions. Scan your body in your mind. Start with the head and then walk through the neck, chest, stomach, hands, your back, your pelvis, upper legs, lower legs, and feet. You can open your eyes. As you see, this is a really quick exercise. You just scan your body, and now I want you to write down the sensations or tell me the sensation out loud. This is how we will bring the sensation into a greater awareness through writing or speaking about them. And once you have this, distinguish between physical sensations, so sensations that are there because of pain, because of chronic illness, because of getting older, and sensations that are there because of emotions or that are just there but we don't know really why. And the next step I am giving you is emotion wheel. Emotion wheel will help you identify these unknown sensations. Some will be easy to identify. So you look at the emotion wheel and you will see the names of different emotions. And you compare the sensation to this name and find the fit. This is how you will start naming your emotions. Maybe you won't be able to name all, at least not right now, but maybe towards the end of the workshop or in a year or two. All the material provided for this workshop you can download through the link on my webpage. I will also show these worksheets on the videos, so you can stop the video and work through them that way. It's totally up to you. What is also important, first part we will focus on the memory, because first we need to juggle the memory a little bit, so then we can identify the patterns a little better. And I will show you a few theories, so you will be able to identify the patterns through them. Okay, that's it for today. Maybe take a day to practice the body scan. Don't do it just once or just after every workshop. Try to do it a couple times a day or maybe even 5 times a day. And once you took a day to practice this body scan exercise and emotion wheel exercise, then start with the first assignment. We see each other there.